Dito na naman tayo. Today, I'm gonna do an experiment. I'm gonna try Filipino barbecue. I already started and I figured, you know what? Why don't I just vlog this? So, here you go. I got this online and hopefully it will turn out to be like the authentic Filipino barbecue. So, we have the meat. I think originally pork butt, but we got the shoulder cut, so I think that should be okay. So when you cut the pieces with the pork, you try to have the thin cuts para when you put in the barbecue stick, you know, at least the pork will be easier to skewer. Preferably, you marinate it for like 4 hours. Don't go overnight kasi sabi nila na yung mga acids ng meat, ng pork will be released. So 4 hours should be good and enough to tenderize it. Kailangan kapag you're doing this, you're gonna have some good music on the background. So, meron kaming Michael Bublé para, you know, you feel good while doing this pork barbecue. You get in the mood. Alright, here's another tip for you. The barbecue sticks. Okay? You have to soak it just like that. You soak it in water. Bakit Tia? Tia, bakit? Why do you have to soak the barbecue stick in water? Sige na, what's the answer?
Because they have germs on it?
No. Because when you do barbecue, you don't want the barbecue stick to burn and blacken. So by soaking it in water, you're basically dampening the stick. I think that's what it is. Okay, good answer though. I like your way of thinking. Okay. I don't know, that's what I've been told by the missus, so that's what we do. Oh wow, this is gonna be an awesome dinner, guys. Look at this. The missus baked some cassava cake. Woohoo! Taste test, taste test. Okay.
It's very hot. Serious.
Okay. Okay.
It's kind of wet.
Okay, ito na yung marinade natin sa Filipino pork barbecue. So, 7-Up. Ano to lahat ng, I think it's meant for 6 pounds of pork. Yung sa akin, 4 pounds lang. But it should be okay. But yeah, kuha kayo ng 7-Up. Lahat to medyo 2 cups lang of everything. So, and of course, the little ones, yung teaspoon lang. So anyway, 7-Up, 2 cups. Brown sugar, 2 cups. Oyster sauce, 2 cups. Soy sauce, 2 cups. Vinegar, importante ito, vinegar, 2 cups. I think it helps tenderize the pork. Wala akong banana ketchup, preferably banana ketchup, but regular ketchup, it should be okay. So 2 cups. Kailangan nyo ng black pepper, 1 teaspoon. Wala akong fresh chili peppers, so okay na to yung cayenne pepper, should be okay. So ano lang, 1 teaspoon lang. Kailangan mo ng sesame oil mamaya pag parang basting. So sesame oil, importante yan para parang may stickiness at saka oiliness. At saka garlic, 1 cup of garlic minced, okay? I'm all set. Ito na yung mga pork barbecue skewers. Okay. The grill's hot. Grill muna ako dito sa garage. Kasi umuulan. It's a crappy Saturday night. As you can see, it's still cold. Barbecuing on a very disgusting Sabado. Beautiful, huh? Lightning and thunder too. Means it's not snow, right? All I want is it's charred a little bit, you know? Kasi sabi ni Mrs. hindi niya gusto yung talagang black and charred. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna have some charred ones, not too much. And later on, walang apoy dito. I'm just gonna let it cook. And make sure that, kasi pork to, you have to make sure that it's cooked. Alright, so the barbecue is now grilling. Ito yung ano niya, yung basting sauce. So basically, remember 2 cups of ketchup, 2 cups of oyster sauce. So I only needed 1 cup on a marinade. Yung extra cup dito sa basting sauce. So this is oyster sauce, ketchup, at saka yung sesame oil. Yung sesame oil, it adds the oiliness and the nutty taste. You could really smell it too. So, at saka para sticky siya. Parang tocino. So, I set it aside so that at least it's charred na. But syempre yung gitna, it's still not cooked. So, you gotta watch out. This is pork. So, I'm gonna leave it on 300 degrees. Yung apoy yun dito sa left side, while dito lahat yung pork barbecue. So, put the cover down, let it cook, let it bake at least for 5 minutes. So, make sure that it's cooked. And here you have it. Looks good. Actually, I had one. It tastes good. So, pork barbecue, Filipino style, ah. Remember, yung sekreto dito, I think yung basting sauce. So, anyway, you'll find out once you try it out. Okay? Good? Yeah? Looks good?
Wow, very, very fancy.
Here we go. Taste test. Taste test.
Good.
Wow. Filipino barbecue. So what'd you think, guys? Good?
Very good. Thank
Thanks.
you.
Mommy? Yeah, good? Okay, family approved. We're good to go. Holy moly, I'm on my 5th stick. It's good. Very good. Alam mo kung anong nakalimutan ko yung... What? He doesn't understand Tagalog. Nakalimutan ko yung ano, yung vinegar na ano, na recipe. Anyway, vinegar is vinegar, right? It's like rice is rice. So, okay na yung ano, okay na yung dato puti. Okay na yun. Okay. Continue on. Fight. Wow, good recipe.